Back pain is classified as either acute or chronic. Acute pain can be caused by excessive movement or use of the back, which can injure the ligaments, muscles, tendons, and bones. Chronic pain, on the other hand, is recurring back pain. Strains, muscle tension, poor postural habits, microtrauma, slip discs, disc prolepses, arthritis, tuberculosis, obesity, osteoporosis, bone tumors, lifting heavy weights, and nutritional deficiencies are all common causes of back pain. Backache can also be caused by pregnancy due to the stress and anatomical changes in the body. 10 Back pain home remedies. There are several simple and effective home remedies for back pain that can be tried at home. Some popular home remedies for backache include: 1. Mint oil can also be used to treat back pain. Simply massage your back lightly with mint oil. You can also massage your back with turpentine oil. 2. Take a lemon and cut it in half. Now, squeeze its juice into a glass of water and season with salt. This juice should be consumed twice a day. 3. Garlic is also an effective home remedy for back pain. All you have to do is consume 2 to 3 cloves of garlic per day. You can even use garlic oil to relieve back pain. Garlic oil can be made by heating 60 ml of oil and frying 10 garlic cloves in it. Allow the oil to cool slightly before straining it. Pain relief can be obtained by massaging the back with this warm garlic oil. 4. Take a cup of warm water and mix in 1 tablespoon of glucose or honey. In the morning, drink it on an empty stomach. 5. Add 5 cloves, 5 black peppercorns, and 1 gram of dry ginger powder to your regular tea and drink it twice a day. This is one of the most effective back pain home remedies. 6. You can also try using a hot water bottle or an infrared lamp to heat the back. Backache will be relieved as a result of this. 7. Adding vitamin C-rich foods to your diet is one of the simplest home remedies for back pain. Vitamin C is abundant in tomatoes, strawberries, citrus fruits, and blueberries. 8. Basil tea can also be very beneficial in the treatment of backache. All you need to do is bring a cup of water and 10 basil leaves to a boil. Allow to boil until only half of the original content remains. Allow it to cool before adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make it a habit to drink this tea once a day. 9. Avoid foods that are spicy, fried, or fatty. Avoid eating sweetmeats, curd, and sugar as well. Consume no caffeinated beverages such as coffee or tea. Consume less processed food. 10. Daily yoga practice is extremely beneficial in the treatment of chronic back pain. Yoga postures such as Halasana, Shavasana, Bhujangasana, Uttanpadasana, and Shlabhasana can be tried. The home remedies for back pain mentioned above are safe and simple to use, and they can be very effective if used correctly. Thank you for watching, and may this information useful for you.